Titan. My wife's had 2 Titans and I've had 1. My truck of choice right now is the Ram 2500 with 6.7 liter diesel. I'm doing a lot of heavy work around the house and I need something to pull concrete and retaining wall blocks to the house with. And I can put a few pallets on the trailer and pull it to the house no problem. So it pays to have a bigger truck sometimes. Road is nice. I got to get out here more often. The problem's getting here. It takes me an hour just to get to War Woman. I mean, it's an hour of killer roads, but still, it's an hour to get to amazing roads. I want to hit the Blue Ridge Parkway too this year. A friend of mine said he did it last month and the pavement is really terrible, rough. The road just beats you to death. But that's Bidenomics for you, right? Between that idiot Obama and Biden, all these jobs where they're going to improve roads, it's just not happening enough. I haven't seen any roads or bridges get improved. I hope they're getting taken care of in your town, but they're probably not, right? What would it be like to live in a country where the politicians weren't all corrupt? Because they are all corrupt. If they were honest and knew how to work a regular job, they wouldn't be politicians. At least we still have areas like this that we can go to and hang out, ride some motorcycles. The air is still fresh, clean, crisp for now. Alright, here it is, Highlands, North Carolina, elevation 4118 feet. And I think I'm going to stop the video here because it does not get any better from here. Just pull into Highlands. There's a grocery store coming up on the left. There's not much to eat here. I haven't found any good restaurants here. If you do know of a good restaurant in Highlands, please post up. I would like to try it out. But hey, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I will start this back in a few minutes on another section of 28.